Boo boo? Need a kiss? Oi, all better. Careful, be careful. Oh, careful. Oopsie. Hoppa! La brute. Oh, la brute. Give me the stick. No sticks. Thank you. No sticks, Lena. We're gonna go in the house. Give me the stick, please.
Lena.
No sticks, I said. Somebody wants to go in the house, I think. Somebody wants to go in the house.
I don't know.
Look who's here. Look who's here. Go give Daddy a hug and a kiss. Lena, go give Daddy a hug and a kiss.
Hi, baby. Can I have a hug?
Oh, no. Go give Daddy a hug and a kiss. Oh, no. I can't believe you said that.
Go get it.
Take the ball.
Take Molly, buddy. What number is it? 68? I think so. What is going?
They're playing with Molly. Molly came to play with them.
Good job, Sammy! Go get her, go get her! Molly. Good job, Sam. Get it, get it! Get it, get it! She's babysitting the kid for like an hour.
Well, not quite an hour, but almost. She came while they were eating.
Lena, put that down, please.
What did I say about sticks?
Lena.
Lena, what did I say about sticks? Please put it down. Thank you.
Put it down.
You too, Sammy.
Spin the ball. Spin the ball.
holding on with her hand. Get it with your hands.
That's what she does. That's what she does when she's tired. She holds on to the ball. Poor Molly.
Looky me. Looky me.
Molly, drop. Drop.
What do you have there, Leaf?
Get it, Sammy, get it. Good job.
Drop it. Drop it.
Molly, drop it.
Drop it. Drop
No,
it.
Molly doesn't want to drop it.
Sit.
Oh.
Drop the ball.
Good job, Molly, good job. You get it, Sammy?
What are you doing, Lena?
Molly, sit down. Sit.
Lena, can you say bye-bye, everybody?
Bye-bye, everybody.
See you later. Say, I'll see you later.
Drop it.